I wanna see all things as one. To be the light in every shadow, to be her now instead of run. I reach for heaven every moment, try to fly beyond the earth. But wisdom whispered softly, first learn to balance death and birth. If I wanna truly know oneness, I must master duality, live to dance between the darkness, bringing light to this waking dream.
They say it's a choice of either one day.
Wanna make today day one. I choose the breath that's just begun,
not tomorrow's wait, not yesterday's song.
I choose now, I choose day one, and choosing day one. Every morning I lay all expectations down, let go of how it should be written. Feel my feet rooted in the ground. I'm not chasing distant futures, I'm not fixing what's been done. I stay present to my calling. Feel the good in today as day one. Here and now becomes the doorway. Every moment, sacred ground.
Purpose hums inside my heartbeat.
Truth is where I'm standing now,
In the mastery of duality, I remember what is true. Two will never really separate.
it's just a way to see me and you.
They say it's either one day.